Do you feel like every fall, well, here comes the dry skin? I know I do. That's why we're at Trillium Creek Dermatology today, once again talking with Gabriella Furfari.
Yes.
Okay, I wanted to talk to you about this because it is every fall dry skin comes around. Can you tell us why?
Yes, so the number one thing is obviously it starts to get colder during the fall and the winter months, so our skin starts to become more dry. The biggest thing is the humidity levels drop. So in the summertime, the humidity levels are nice and high, keeping our skin hydrated and moisturized. But once we see the drop in humidity, then our skin starts to feel it as well. The other thing is we are spending a lot more times indoors, so we are getting a lot of forced heat on our skin, which can further contribute to dryness.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Now, how do we prevent it?
So there are many tips you can do to prevent dry skin. So one of the tips we do recommend is limiting shower time and making sure you're not doing extremely hot showers. So I know it's something very tempting that we want to do this time of year, but at least 5 to 10 minutes limiting that and then lowering the shower temperature a little bit so it's not super hot. That's a good thing. Another thing is getting a humidifier either in your bedroom or in an area that you spend a lot of time in. That can also help prevent dry skin. And then another tip is to apply your moisturizer right when you get out of the shower. So usually we say within about 3 minutes, that's when you want to apply your moisturizer. That'll keep the water on your skin and prevent what we call transepidermal water loss. So
that is so good. Those are a lot of things I've never thought about. That makes so much sense. Now, what about a good moisturizer?
So moisturizer. So the number one thing I tell people is choose a moisturizer that is fragrance free. So the more scents and smells something has, the more irritating it could be. And this also includes laundry detergent. Another thing you want to do is choose a moisturizer that is a cream-based moisturizer and not a lotion. Lotions are good for summertime, but they're not quite enough in the wintertime, so we usually recommend cream-based moisturizers. Another tip is looking for ingredients that have the words petrolatum, ceramides, glycerin, dimethicone. These are all moisture-friendly ingredients.
Well, thank you so much. You want to make an appointment, learn more? It's tcohio.com.